Bring adventure right to your backyard with the Lifetime Adventure Tower playset. Watch imagination soar as kids explore multiple levels of fun. Designed for active play and years of enjoyment. Challenge young climbers with the exciting rock climbing wall featuring easy-to-grip handholds for a safe ascent. Up top, the steering wheel lets little captains navigate imaginary journeys. Unleash creativity on the built-in chalkboard, perfect for messages, drawings, or learning fun. The deck features an integrated car map, adding another dimension to playtime with favorite toy vehicles. Safety is key, with no rough edges and strong steel construction for lasting durability. Built to withstand the elements, it's UV resistant. Plus, it's freestanding, no need for cement. Enjoy low-maintenance fun with no staining and no painting required, and everyone loves the fast wavy slide for thrilling exits. Packed with features like the climbing wall, steering wheel, car map, chalkboard, and slide, the Adventure Tower offers hours of active, imaginative play. The Lifetime Adventure Tower playset, where backyard adventures begin.